Objective, graphing on the coordinate plane. Definition number 1. A coordinate plane is formed by two number lines that intersect at a right angle. So we have the x-axis, definition number 2, is the horizontal axis. So that goes horizontal in a coordinate plane. And definition number 3 is the y-axis is the vertical axis in a coordinate plane. So if you have a coordinate plane, you should be familiar with this. It looks like this. This is the horizontal axis, it's the x-axis. This one, up and down, vertical, is the y-axis. Definition number 4, the origin, the point where the x and the y-axis meet. Well, they intersect right here, and we give this ordered pair a special name called the origin. It is at 0, 0. So this point right here is 0, 0. Definition number 5, quadrants, the 4 sections of the coordinate plane. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections of the coordinate plane. They are called quadrants, and we use Roman numerals to identify them. Definition number 4, a coordinate point. This is, in parentheses, x, comma, y. It is also known as an ordered pair. So we use this to identify a location of a point. We put a point on the coordinate plane. All right, identify the points. So this is how to graph points and find their locations. Remember, we use coordinate points or ordered pairs to identify where certain things are on the graph. O is located at the origin, 0, 0. We have not moved left, right, up, or down on any axis. We're at the intersection point between the x and y axis, so this ordered pair is 0, 0. P. Here's P. If you move to the left, your x value is negative, and you go up, your y value is positive. So negative 4 up 2 is the ordered pair for P. We always move left or right and then up or down. Q. Q is located straight up. So we did not move left or right, so our x value is 0, and we moved up to 6. So positive 6 is our y value. R. Here's R. We did not move up or down. So we're right here on the x-axis. We moved left 8, which makes this negative 8. Our x value is negative 8. And again, we didn't go up or down any, so our y value is 0. S is located in this quadrant. We move 2, 4, 6 to the right, and then down 2, 4. So negative 4 down. 6 to the right, down 4. T. T is located here. We move 2, 4, 6 to the right, so we're at negative 6 for our x value. And then down, so we're at negative 8 for our y value. U. U is located in this quadrant. We move 4 to the right, so positive 4 for our x value. And then we move up 2, so positive 2 for the y value. Identifying quadrants. So as I mentioned in the definitions at the beginning, the quadrants are the 4 sections of the coordinate plane. We use Roman numerals to identify them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It makes a C shape when you're numbering them. In this first quadrant, all of the ordered pairs have positive x's and positive y's. In quadrant 2, all of the x's have negative, or all the x's are negative, all the y's are positive. In quadrant 3, all the x's and y's are both negative. And in quadrant 4, all of the x's are positive and all of the y's are negative. So which quadrant or axis would you find at each point? Negative 1, 5. The x is negative, but the y is positive. A negative x, a positive y. So this ordered pair would be in quadrant 2. We will go negative 1 up 5. Number 2, 0, 3. If we don't move left or right at all, and 3 says we go up, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that was our other point. This one's going to be 0, 0 left or right, and then up 3. So we are on the y-axis. Number 3, negative 2, 0 means go to the left 2, and then don't go up or down any. So 2, 0, this one is on the x-axis. Remember, our horizontal axis is called the x-axis, the vertical axis is the y-axis. Number 4, we go 4 to the right and then down 1. X is positive, y is negative. X is positive, y is negative. So we know our point is going to be in the 4th quadrant. So go to the right 4 and then down 1. Number 5, negative 3, negative 5. Both the x and y are both negative. So you're in the 3rd quadrant. And negative 3, go left 3, down 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our point will be somewhere around here. Number 6, 2.7, 3.6. This is positive and this is positive. So we're in quadrant 1. I used this example to show you that points don't always come out to be whole numbers or integers. They can be decimals as well. Number 7 shows fractions. So here this is negative for the x and positive for the y. A negative x and a positive y, that's quadrant 2. So based on whether the x and y are positive or negative, you can identify quickly where the point should be located.